Alright, this video is over generating equivalent expressions by combining like terms and simplifying. It's standards EE 3 and 4. So we have this long expression. It says 2x plus 3x squared plus 2 plus 4x plus 1 minus 2x squared. When we're adding and subtracting terms, we can combine the terms that are like. So 2x and 4x are like terms because they have the same variable raised to the same power. So 2x plus 4x is 6x. 3x squared minus 2x squared gives us x squared. The symbol in front of the coefficient goes with that coefficient, so that's something to be careful about as you combine like terms. And then we have plus 2 and plus 1. That gives us our 3. We cannot put these together because they're not like terms, because this exponent has a 2 with it and this exponent does not. So this expression is equivalent to this expression. The next one is all multiplication, so it's a little different. We have 2x times 3x times 5x squared. When we're multiplying terms, this is multiplication, so we can put this all together. And it helps if we expand it out, like 2x means 2 times x, 3x means 3 times x, and 5x to the second power means 5 times x, because that exponent just means that this x is being multiplied by itself twice. Then we can multiply our numbers together. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. And then we can put our exponents back together in exponential form because we have x times x times x times x. So x to the 4th power, because the x is being multiplied by itself 4 times. So this expression, 2x times 3x times 5x squared, is equivalent to 30x to the 4th power. Alright, I have a couple for you to try on your own. It says combine like terms to generate an equivalent expression to this. 3m squared plus 2m plus 7m squared minus m. Remember, the symbol in front of the variable or the coefficient goes with that term. And you can only combine like terms. On the second one, it's multiplication, so you can combine it all because it's all multiplication. Alright, if you'll pause the video, try these on your own, and then press play and check your work. Alright, so in the first one, we can combine the terms that are like. So we have 3m squared. Can't put this with it because it doesn't have an exponent of 2. Plus 7m squared. So 3m squared plus 7m squared gives me 10m squared. And then I have plus 2m and minus m. So 2m minus the 1m just leaves me with m. So that means this expression, 3m squared plus 2m plus 7m squared minus m, is equivalent to 10m squared plus m. We got the plus m from these two and the 10m squared from these two. Alright, the next one. This, remember, is multiplication, and it helps to expand this out before we multiply. 4x means 4 times x times 2 times x, and then this x to the 3rd power means that there's actually 3 x's right here being multiplied. And then we have times 5 times y. So the first thing I would do is multiply my whole numbers together. I have 4 times 2 times 5. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So I know my coefficient is 40. And then I have x as a variable, The x is being multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Say 40x to the 4th times y, and you can just stick it right beside there. 40x to the 4th times y is equivalent to 4x times 2x to the 3rd power times 5y. And it's best to expand it out, then put it back together. Multiply your coefficients together, and then use exponents to show repeated multiplication. Alright, here's that final answer. Alright, thank you for watching my video.